To fix the error, PayPal declined your request to accept automatic payments. Follow this step-by-step guide. First, ensure you have a verified PayPal account, as this is a basic requirement for accepting automatic payments. If your account is not verified, go to the PayPal website, log in, and follow the verification process. Next, check your PayPal account settings to ensure that automatic payments are enabled. To do this, log into your PayPal account, click on the settings icon, and select Payments. Scroll down to the Automatic Payments section and make sure the option to accept automatic payments is enabled. If automatic payments are already enabled, the issue may be related to your account limits. PayPal has certain limits on the amount of money that can be received or sent through an account. To check your account limits, log into your PayPal account, click on the settings icon, and select Account. Scroll down to the Account Limits section and check if you have reached your daily or monthly limit. Another common reason for this error is a mismatch between the PayPal account information and the information provided during the automatic payment setup process. Ensure that the name, address, and other details provided during the setup process match the information in your PayPal account. Additionally, check your PayPal account balance to ensure that you have sufficient funds to cover the automatic payment. If your account balance is low, add funds to your account or set up a backup funding source, such as a credit or debit card. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be related to the payment recipient or the payment method. Try contacting the payment recipient to confirm their PayPal account information and ensure that their account is set up to receive automatic payments. Finally, if you are still experiencing issues, contact PayPal customer support for assistance. They can help you identify and resolve the issue, and provide additional guidance on how to fix the error and accept automatic payments. By following these steps and checking the common causes of the error, you should be able to fix the issue and accept automatic payments through your PayPal account. Remember to always keep your PayPal account information up to date and ensure that your account is verified and set up to accept automatic payments.